The DEWALT 20V Max grinder set includes a versatile 4.5-inch paddle switch small angle grinder and a 1.5-inch die grinder, providing users with a comprehensive toolkit for various grinding tasks. This grinder set comes with a powerful 20V Max XR 5 Ah battery and an efficient 8 ampere fast charger that charges at twice the rate compared to the DCB 115 charger. The 4.5-inch angle grinder features a kickback brake that stops the wheel in 2 seconds or less, enhancing user safety during operation. The die grinder boasts a variable speed trigger that can reach up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, offering precision and control for different applications. Both tools in this set are equipped with brushless motors, which extend the life of the tools and ensure consistent performance. The dual-position rocker switch on the die grinder provides multiple handle grasping points, making it comfortable and adaptable for various user preferences.